Hello everyone, this is Prarthana, a prenatal yoga instructor from Bodhi Yoga Institute. Today in this video, I am going to share few amazing benefits of prenatal yoga. However, before doing any kind of yoga or any kind of exercise, I suggest please do consult with your doctor. First of all, I will tell the physical benefits of prenatal yoga. The first benefit is it will increase the stamina and strength by strengthening legs, hips, arms, shoulders and back. It is very important as during labor, a woman should have enough strength and stamina to give natural birth. Not only during labor but also during pregnancy, your lower back should be strong enough to carry the extra weight of the uterus. So prenatal yoga will focus more on strengthening the back and the lower body. The second benefit is it balances the healthy hormone system. As we all know, during pregnancy and delivery, hormonal changes happens drastically. So healthy hormone system is very important for healthy pregnancy and delivery. The third important benefit is it improves blood circulation throughout the body, which reduces swollen ankles and feet, especially during third trimester. It also increases the blood circulation towards the uterus. The fourth benefit is it improves the digestion to a great extent. Generally during pregnancy, women suffer from indigestion, bloating stomach and constipation. Yoga can give relief from all these problems. The fifth benefit is it can improve the immunity and the metabolism. The sixth benefit is it prepares the body for labor by opening the pelvic and groin area. When your body is preparing for labor, it releases the hormone called relaxin. Relaxin will soften the muscles of the cervix and the connective tissues of pelvic region to prepare the body for giving birth. The other benefits are it improves the balance physically and emotionally. It also calms the nervous system. It keeps you active and breaks lethargy and fatigue. It also makes the delivery easy and effortless by reducing pain. It makes pregnancy smooth by keeping her away from all the pregnancy problems. Now coming to mental benefits, it cleans the mind and keeps you away from stress, anxiety, depression and many other emotional disturbances. It increases confidence and self-esteem as you are doing something for yourself and for your baby. It also increases awareness and connects the mother with the baby. It gives you happy and positive state of mind as whenever you do any kind of exercise or yoga, the endorphins that are released into your body will keep you active and positive. Being a woman and giving a birth to a new soul is a very sacred experience. So prenatal yoga will help you to enrich this experience to a whole new level, where you will not only enjoy the pregnancy period but also gain benefits of relaxed and easy childbirth. Wishing you a happy and healthy delivery. Namaskar.